Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Mayra Angelina and I would like to presenting a material about basic concept of curriculum. Before we start, I would like to introducing our team members. There are Yayang Kalista Faine Dewari, Lisa Mayura Angelina, Intan Setiase, Dea Devana Indah Pratiwi, and Eni Purwati. What is curriculum? Curriculum is a contested and often misunderstood concept at a simple level, and curriculum means a course of study. There are definitions of curriculum according to the professionals, and according to Cunningham, it is a tool in hands of the character to mold the material in accordance with their idea in their studio. And according to Dhias, the curriculum is all of the experiences that individual learners have in a program of education whose purpose is to achieve broad goals and related specific objectives which are planned in terms of a framework of theory and research or past and professional practice.
Hello everyone, my name is Eni Purwati. Well, according to the Cunningham, he has 7 principles of curriculum. The first is principles of child-centeredness. Modern approach to curriculum constructions should be pedagogic as well as democratic in the sense that child should occupy a central position in the entire learning teaching process and he should be actively participate in it. The child should be the key to all kinds of curricular programs. His ability, interests, attitude, and needs should be considered at the times of the curriculum construction. The second is principles of flexibility and variety. The learners should be given freedom of choice and selecting subject. The learner should not be compelled to take up a course of study under pressure. Individual difference between the students should be taken proper care of. The third is principles of collaboration. Various subjects of curriculum should be properly coordinated, and every subject should have some relations with other subject, which should be felt by teacher and pupils. The fourth is principles of integration. The principles of integration is important for develop all of round personality the child. Every subject included in the curriculum at the particular stage education should be integrated, like history, civics, and geography as a social study. Every activities and curriculums should be organized according to the principles of integration. The fifth is principles of community service. The modern curriculum should be related to the community life. The need and conditions of the curriculum should be determine the nature and contents of the curriculum. The curriculum should be designed as the facilitate the optimum to community research for develop educations. Sixth is principles of value. In the emerging society, the number of value desirable are to inculcate it our child. So the curriculum provided should be inculcating of value social, then spiritual, moral, democratic, and then aesthetics. And then the last is principles of totality. The secondary education's comparison has also highlighted in this also have highlighted in this principle by suggesting that there must be totality of learning process that are given by pupil through the classroom and then available for library, laboratory, workshop, playground, and also important contacts by the teacher. In this way, the entire of life that can touch the entire life of curriculum can touch the life of students at all point. And then
Hello, my name is Niputu Derivana Indah Pratiwi. Okay, now I would like to explain about need of curriculum. Need of curriculum, there are 7 parts. The first part is national development. National development to improve the knowledge of students in national level. Okay, the second is standard of living. Standard of living is to raising standard of living by understand about learning and teaching. The third is democratic life. Democratic life is to make the students understand more about democratic system. The fourth is education for everyone. Education for everyone, curriculums to help the teachers to reach the goals of study. Okay, next, the fifth is society. Society that can help modernizing the society by learning and the improvement of technology. Okay, the sixth is national integration. National integration is helping to understand more about the differences of everyone. Okay, the last one is personal development. Personal development to improve skills of a person of themselves. Okay, that's all about need of curriculums.
My name is Lisa Mayura Angelina, and I would like to continue the material that Dhia has explained. Now I would like to explain the terminology to understand more about the curriculum. Basically, curriculum is an umbrella term denoting the totality of the learning experience of children and young people in school. There are curriculum purposes, curriculum framework, curriculum provision, pedagogy, and assessment. Curriculum purposes is the statements of what the curriculum is intended to achieve. These include narrowly defined outcomes or objective and most broadly defined aims or goals. And curriculum framework is the documents that outline the structure of the curriculum and its purposes. This is also usually includes the content to be taught.
Hello everyone, my name is Gustiawiang Kalistafani Dewari. Now I would like to continue the explanation of Lisa about terminology. I would like to explain about curriculum provision, pedagogy, and assessment. Curriculum provision is the system and structure established in school to organize teaching, for example, timetabling. Pedagogy are often referred to as instruction in the literature, especially American writing. The teaching strategies and learning activities plan to achieve the aims and fulfill the planned framework. And the last is assessment. The method used to judge the extent of students' learning, example, tests, homework, and observation. Assessment might be used formatively, summatively, or evaluatively. The material will be continued by Intan.
Here I will explain about the process of curriculum. And in process of curriculum have some important things that are curriculum planning, curriculum development, curriculum design, curriculum evaluation, and curriculum implementation on transaction. The definition of curriculum planning according to Binns and General. According to Bin, it is a process in which participants at many levels make decisions about what the purpose of learning ought to be. How this purpose might be carried out through teaching, learning situation, and whether the purpose and means are both appropriate and effective. In general, the process concerned with making decisions about what to learn, why, and how to organize the teaching and learning process, taking into account existing curriculum requirements and the resources available. At the general level, it often results in the definition of broad curriculum framework, as well as the syllabus for each subject to be used as reference by individual school. The next material will be presented by Lisa.
My name is Lisa Mayura Angelina, and I would like to continue the material of what Intan has explained it. Now I would like to explain about definition of curriculum design. According to William M. Alexander, the school curriculum has a framework structure commonly called design, just as a building, a dress, or an automobile has, although less tangible or perceptible and hopefully less fixed. The curriculum design provides a basis for classifying and organizing the curriculum opportunities offered by the school. And the definition of curriculum design in general is a term used to describe purposeful, deliberate, and systematic organization of curriculum or instruction blocks within a class of course. In other words, it is a way for teacher to plan instruction for the students.
Hello everyone, my name is Gustiawi Kalistafani Dewari. Now I would like to continue the explanation of Lisa, and I would like to explain about definition of curriculum development, curriculum explanation, and curriculum implementation or transaction. Definition of curriculum development. Curriculum development can be defined as a kind of step-by-step process used to create positive improvement in the course offered in higher education. Definition of curriculum evaluation. Curriculum evaluation is the process of measuring and judging the extent to which the planned course, programs, learning activities, and opportunities as expressed in the formal curriculum actually produce the expected result. And the last is definition of curriculum implementation or transaction. Curriculum implementation or transaction is the effective and desired implementation of the curriculum contents on the basis of aims and objectives listed in the curriculum. This curriculum incorporates effective planning for providing learning experience for its learners, organization of planning. That's all about our presentation from Group 1. I hope our presentation can gain your knowledge about basic concept of curriculum.